Hello, and welcome to Andy's Cornish Creations. This is just a quick video just to say thank you for all my viewers and subscribers this year, and everybody that's made a comment. I've got to know quite a few new people, made a lot of friends. I've had some really nice comments this year, and my subscriptions have gone up by 2,500, which is great. So the channel's doing really well, and it's all down to you guys. So again, thank you so much. It's really humbling. So I'd just like to wish you all a very happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. And I'm going to see if there's somebody else who will be able to come and say hello. Ivy, come here, come on, come here, come on. She's asleep on the settee. Come on. Oh, there we go. So, happy Christmas from me and Ivy. Have a good one, and I'll see you next year. Goodbye. Good girl. Good girl.